This project was undertaken in 2014 and completed in 15. This location was identified by them in October 2014. It was inspected and repaired both by male first and female subsequently during that period. Female enters the nest around 15th of March. She seals the opening of the nest, leaving a vertical slit. She lays eggs inside and remains there for 1.5 months almost. Male takes the responsibility of feeding from outside. Male has brought maximum 33 ficks in his tummy to feed the female. A wonderful example of hard work and dedication because he does it several times in a day. Also, he has to feed himself so that he can remain fit to feed the next generation too. Sometimes the female peeps out and there is a silent conversation between the two. For the purpose of maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in the nest, tree bark is slipped into the nest. If the size of the bark is large, then it is cut into pieces before slipping into the nest. Non-vegetarian food such as grasshoppers or even the lizards are provided inside the nest so that the protein demand can be met. It is brought out by regurgitation and aligned perfectly before slipping it into the nest. Sometimes lizard is stuck in the throat while taking it out before slipping into the nest. Protein requirement increases as the chicks grow inside the nest. Quantity of non-vegetarian food is increased due to the muscle building requirement of the chicks. Other insects like grasshopper and other small insects are also fed. But the fix still remain the main source of energy for the chick and the female. The female asking more and more food. Female breaks the opening of the nest after about 40 days. Now the chicks are alone and of their own in the nest. Female stays around and watches. Also, the opening of nest is again sealed by leaving a small seed to feed the kids. Now chicks take the responsibility of maintaining hygiene of the nest and throws away all unwanted material out of the nest. You can see here that the small pieces of garbage are thrown out of the nest. Chicks use feather like a broom to clean up the opening of the nest and also the inside. Myna, paradise flycatcher, and other birds become curious, see both male and female feeding their chicks. They also come with some leaves to offer it to the kids so that they can come out, peep out, and they can have a look of them. For 4-5 days, females remains very weak, a weak flyer. So all other birds like babblers, they tease her. She evades conflict with the intruders. Female finds difficult to feed the chicks from the sides, so she takes a front approach, but meanwhile she has been harassed by other birds. Soon both male and female start feeding together within coordinated effort. In this video, grasshopper is being fed to chicks. Chicks grow in a very cozy and safe environment inside the nest. They are allured by their parents to come out. Soon they come out and perch on a nearby tree under the supervision of their parents. Thank you for watching this. We would like to have your feedback. Thanks once again.